And that phone I did have. When he text me the things, I'm gonna do the things them. So I keep that phone for my big son. So when Nicholas reach of age and me plug in this, from time to time me charge them up. When me plug in that phone here, it have the whole of the text message them from my dirty wicked baby father. So when my son get big and he feel like he can come tell lie for me just hand him this phone with the receipt and make him read everything. When he used to text me and the things them when him do and whatever, it in a this is for my baby father. Blood clot. You see this your phone you know? Me not talk who this for. Me just there my yard and no trouble you now wait till no blood clot trouble me. But this a phone ya, this a for one smaddy. Trouble people. Me you will see all we not talk about spice bagger and spice this nowhere on this world when you can say me don't go talk facts. See that mash up iPhone ya? Our next one. Me no trouble people, but me have my things them on can't come tell the lie for me. So when time on the boss I call you and I tell you this and tell you that, you better come good because don't make I go charge up none of them phone ya. You understand? Ready me not ready yet. I mean, I tell lie on people, I mean, no trouble people. Me a girl, me very God to the call me. I pray, read my Bible and do my music. Who want it, take it, and who want leave it. So me live righteous and me no trouble people. But anytime I no trouble me a problem, I gonna call me name a problem. Gracie love talk, but Gracie never tell a lie. Me no tell lie on people. And me no trouble people. See me in my house, yeah? Me one anger that me pick to them. Me drink my water, mind my business, eat my good food, put up my music when me feel like, do whatever me feel like, I live, pray, read my Bible and go on my bed. Until you try create a narrative and come and tell like for me, at some time I come out come defend myself and then me done and God about my business and who want vex and who want boss. Cause that's how me stay. So you plan up for me tomorrow cause me know I wanna stay. But just know say I know so it a go. Like, oh, uno boss, think it a go.